Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to create online quiz with timer. Google Suite Marketplace provide a very powerful application Timify to provide a time limitation to the online quiz. Today we are very familiar with online quiz with automatic certificate generation by using application Certify. Any examination without the timing limit, there is no any meaning, because anyone can easily search the answer on the Google and can solve the exam. Timify.me is a web service and also a Google add-on that allows user to embed a timer into Google form and collect from submissions time. To start, user need to do three things. First, user have to add the Timify.me add-on to the Google form. Sign up with the Timify.me web services to access your dashboard and follow setup instructions in Timify.me dashboard. We'll see the total setup. First, we have to log in to our Gmail. We have to open Google form. We'll see the demo. When we open Google form, it shows all the previous form design in the recent forms and start a new form. Click to this blank. It open a blank new form. We have to arrange a quiz in setting. Open quizzes and make this a quiz. In general, if we have to collect the email addresses, click to collect the email addresses, and if we have to provide the limitation to 1 to the individual mail ID, then limit to the 1 response. Now your Google form is converted into the Google quiz. Give the name to this quiz demo form with timer. Here we can add any description. For any query, contact Professor H.D. Padia on padiasagar@gmail.com. Add the first question for personal information of the participant, name of participant. It must be a short answer. Copy the same for second question. We have to collect contact number. Contact number must be a number but short answer type question. Select the same short answer. It automatically converted into the number. Copy the second for the third question. So suppose our first question is, which is the capital of India. Now it is a multiple choice question. First option Mumbai, second option is Delhi, third option Nagpur, and fourth option is Kolkata. Same we can add any four option for any question. Copy the same and make the fourth question. Suppose which is the capital of Maharashtra state. Provide the same four options. We have to change the answer. Now answer is Mumbai and same 10 marks for that. Now the quiz is ready with two questions for personal information and two questions for the exam. Now we have to add the timer. Move to the add-on. It takes some time. In add-on, search for timify.me. It shows one application timer for your Google Forms. Open this and install this application. It is timify.me. It shows all the reviews given by the previous users. Get ready to install. Continue it. It required some permissions. It required a permission to access to your Gmail and Google Drive. Timeify.me wants to access your Google accounts. Allow it. It also takes some time for the installation. Now Timeify.me has been installed. Next and done. Close it. Now on your dashboard, one puzzle like logo will appear. In that, open the Timeify.me and config. One control panel of the Timeify.me it will open. Connect with Timeify.me. It asks to paste your Timeify.me token here. We required one token. Now to access this token, we have to open the website of this Timeify.me. Start using Timeify.me today. Pass your mail ID and get started. Now it sent one verification code to your mail ID. You have to open your mail ID. You will receive one mail. Open this mail and pass this verification ID into the website, that is 1265. Now you have to set up your account. Mail ID, first name, last name. You have to select your purpose, business or personal. You have to select the user's objectives. I have selected education. You have to set one password. It must be the 8 or more symbols, contain a digit, contain an uppercase letter and not contain spaces, as per the general rules for the password. Save your account. Now let's get started. It has provided one token. You have to copy this token from this website and you have to paste this password onto the control panel and then continue. Now it asks to enable Timeify.me. Enable add-on for this form. Click on this button. It link your form with the Timeify.me. Now add-on enable. In new tab, open Timeify.me/app. It provides all your forms. You can rename the form, delete all the text and unlink form. Now the form that we have created, it is appeared, that is demo form with timer. The first step is create test. By using, you can create the test for particular users. Suppose we have to create any test for particular students, then we have to pass all the mail IDs here. The mail IDs can be separated by the commas. We can set the timer duration. We have set the 10 minutes. Next is we can select the auto close form when time over. But there is one problem. If time is over and form is not submitted by the user, then it automatically closes it. It does not submit all the detail. Next two are only for the premium plans. And last is to view the quiz score and result after submission. And from the next button we can create the test. The next tab is for a public form link. If we have to create any quiz for the public, then it provides one URL. From that we can perform the registration. It shows the some default duration, auto close form status. We can edit this information. We can change the timer duration. And same as the previous, there are the 4 options to auto close the form and to allow to view the quiz score and results after submission. We have to submit that. It pre-configured access. Choose the test. Now it shows the quota for that. In free, it provides the 100 participants per day. If we have to increase that, then we have to purchase the plan from this timify.me. We can create the number of such tests. Move to the back. To open this test, same from the public form link, we have to copy the link. Copy this link and share this link with all your users. Suppose user is put this into the URL, then it shows the demo form with timer, that is your test, and it asks to submit the mail address. It allows to one mail address only once. It sent one verification mail on the user mail ID. User have to register the mail address. It sent one mail. Here is your personal link. User have to open this link. When user will open this link, then it show all the detail. That's your test name, the duration, and all the remaining detail. User have to open this form. When user will open the form, the quiz will open and with the time. We will set the time 1 minute. The timer is started. Within 1 minute, user have to pass email addresses, the name of participant, contact number, and the real question. The capital of India, we have selected a wrong answer, Mumbai. The answer is actually Delhi. The second, the capital of Maharashtra state, we have again selected Mumbai. Then we have to submit our test. If within a time limit form is not submitted, then it will fail to submit the detail. Now we have submitted. It shows the message of the thank you. It shows the score, that is total points 10 out of 20. Our first question was wrong and second was right. It shows the status of right and the wrong, and it also shows the right answer of your wrong submitted answer. Now we can check the response submitted by the user. One response is received to the admin. We can open the spreadsheet. It shows all the details submitted, that is mail address, score, name of participant, contact number, the answer of first question, answer of second question, and submission ID. When number of users will submit the answer to this quiz, then all the responses will appear on this spreadsheet.